Hi guys, I thought I would try to give a rough video using my iPhone of what the homework was for Friday, the answers that you have. A lot of you did this quickly with your calculator. Should the square root of 89 was 9? Number 2, between what two does this lie? Well, if you punch this and use your calculator, you just do square root 12, enter. You get the number 3.46. That's pretty much all you need. So what two integers does it lie? Remember, integers have to be whole numbers. Your answers would be between 3 and 4 for that one. So 3 and 4. For the next one, we talked about this plus or minus. Don't worry about it. You can leave it in your answer. We're only concerned about the positive square root from there. Number 4, we said to cross out, but later on this week, you will know how to do that. Between what two integers does the square root of 27 lie? Same idea. Use your calculator to help you. Do square root symbol, 27, enter. 5.19 gives you that it would be between the integers 5 and 6 for that one. Okay. When plotted on a number line, which integer is negative or square root of 19 closest to? Again, lots of calculator. Hopefully you have one at home. Remember, I talked to you about taking your cell phone and turning it to the side, it would work. Okay, so that number was 4.35. So which integer is it closest to? Well, 3 is, you would round down, so it's going to be closer to 4 on the number line. Okay. And this one, what is the value of this? We'll do what's underneath the square root sign first, which is 36, and a perfect square, so it would be 6 as a nice answer. True or false for this one? 3/5, yes, is equal to 3/5, so this is true. So that's what that equals if I take the square root of the numerator and denominator. Cube root this time, remember you need to use the button math. I'm going to write this down, number 4. So if I do that, math, and then the fourth one down, it gives you the cube root of 27, which is 3. And then estimating to the nearest tenth. So if I plug in using my calculator, back to square root, not cube root for 8. If I do that, 2.82, which means to the nearest tenth, that would be 2.8, because the 2 wouldn't bring it up to 9. So you leave it there. Which of the following is not equivalent to this? So again, that's the keyword, not equivalent. So that'd be 8. The square root, that's still the square root symbol. I know it looks a little weird, but they put a 2 there. They don't have to. The cube root is actually 4, and 8 is 8. So the one that's not matching the others is number 3. And finally, the cube root of 9 equals the square root of 9? Definitely not, because if you tried to do the cube root on your calculator of 9, you would get the answer of 2.008. So that's false. All right, that's all for now. I'll get back to you. Sorry for the bad production quality.